You want to go outside? Huh? It's windy out there. There's a lot of snow, Jesse. Oh boy. Oh, what do you think? Huh? Let's go down to the shop. My God. Well, what was a little bit of snow earlier, my good grief, it's coming down now. The wind's blowing. See my boot? I don't even know if I'm going to make it down there with a... There's our road headed up to the main road. I'm into the face of the wind right now, and I got my hood pulled over my head, my glasses on, and it's just hitting me right in the face. I don't know how long this lens is going to hold up to this kind of stuff. What do you think, Jesse? Huh? What do you think? Oh, God, Jesse! Ah! This is nasty. What are you gonna do out here? Huh? Look at you. Oh my God. Ah. What a dancing girl you are, huh? What a difference a couple hours makes. This is just a nice little stroll down here earlier. And right now, oh yeah, she likes it. She's liking this. Go find them. Go find your buddies. Well, there's got to be a foot or better now. And it is some coming down. I was going to go out plowing. My truck's sitting over there in the shed. I don't know if this is going to do any good or not. And I got the furnace going in the shop here. We're gonna, at least I'm not even gonna try to open the doors here. Come on, we'll go this way. Come on. Okay. Whew. Well, working on this little generator that Dylan brought me the other day, and okay, well, Mark's gonna help me get it going. He knows all the answers to these things, so I'm gonna shut off for a minute.